Hey babe, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or simply welcome. My name is Marie, otherwise known as Exo Classic Medusa on all social media platforms, and that includes Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Today is no makeup day. My pimples are showing, well, my acne scarring is showing big time, and my hair, which is a wig I got from Amazon, is a mess. The purpose of today's video is to unbox a vanity mirror that I got off of Amazon. Well, that my brother ordered for me off of Amazon. There's a backstory to that because this is really take two of that vanity mirror. The mirror came the first time and it was broken. Broken. Now they sent it again and hopefully this time around it's not broken. Hopefully. Before we get into this unboxing, can we talk about this Fabletics set though? Like, I'm wearing a large for the top and medium for the leggings. I will try and see if I can find a link and I will put it in the comments below for you guys. Now let's get into this box because I'm curious. By the way, they did tell me to keep the first mirror because it was just going to be such a hurdle to like repackage it and send it back to them. So I just have it standing in a corner here. I don't know what to do with it. Let me know if you guys have any ideas what I can do with it. Like, maybe I can take off the broken pieces and just kind of like buy a glass that fits that dimension and just make another vanity mirror. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Please help. Moment of truth. Wait. Now I didn't hear shattered glass inside, so that might be a good thing. Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. Now tell me why I opened this thing upside down. Okay. It's not broken! It's not broken. The legs are pretty sturdy. It has a screw there, I guess, to hold the mirror in place. This mirror is $226, by the way. And I had a $60 coupon. It just came for like $189, I think, with taxes and everything included. Okay, there we go. A close up. It came with its adapter, its little remote, screws to prop it on the wall if I wanted to, the phone holder, the mirror magnifier, and a cleaning cloth. Don't mind my ring light, I also got it off of Amazon. I can put the link to it in the description box. But this is what the mirror looks like all put together. Alright, now you're getting a better view of the mirror so you can actually guess the size of it. I'll look in the book to see what the dimensions are because I can't remember, but it's a pretty decent size. Now let's just plug it in and see how bright these lights are and, you know, play around with the functions a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put in the adapter. You see the little light? There it is. This is on and off, obviously. I don't know what this does. Press and hold, it gets warmer or, you know, brighter. And this one changes the colors. Cool. Now I'm gonna turn off the lights in here to see exactly how bright this is. Gonna turn it off first. These lights and these lights. It's giving candle lit vibes. Okay, now let's change. Okay, is that as bright as this one is? I mean, I still think that it's pretty good for the size of the bulbs. Like, they're not that big, but I think it'll work for what it is. And on top of that, these are not the only lights that I'm gonna use. I'm definitely gonna have my ring light and some other lighting all around. So this should be good. This should work. This should work. I will be putting the link for this one too in the description box in case you guys are interested in getting it. Okay guys, so my Amazon link will be in the description box, and it will have the ring light and the mirror all listed there, so you won't have to go crazy looking for them. This is all for today. I look a mess and I gotta go get rid of all this trash now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I cannot wait to do it again. Until next time, latest babe. Bye.